Jungle House. Healthy honey-based product processed from natural ingredients. Farmed on Indonesian unpolluted lowlands. The bees was treated with care by the farmers so that they could deliver high quality and high nutrients honey. There are a team of 100 home-based bee farmers and 45 forest honey hunter who produce ready-made honey product. Our high-quality honey was the result of well-controlled production chains, such a high sanitary and hygiene standard, pest-free and weed-free environment, and wide supply of natural vegetation for bee sustenance. Hence the bees are able to produce abundant amount of honey.
I really thank you for Jungle House because cooperating with us, and it's so nice, it's so exciting to have cooperation with you. We could work together even we are in different country and different language and different culture, but it's okay, it's very nice working with you all.
Di ngawitanana tina hobi.
Oh, hobi.
Iya teh kurang kedah dilestarikeun gitu, kanggo dimanfaatkeun kanggo pengobatan saha wae anu ngabutuhkeun.
Oke. Hatur nuhun Kang Aep. Ada mudah-mudahan sukses.
Amin.
Oke.
Jungle House is free of artificial sweetener, colorants, and additive preservatives.